Sometimes the obvious is just too obvious. Brad Williams, XL Prime, what am I talking about? What are we doing here? If temperature is negative, insert 0. Otherwise, insert the temperature. Well, what does that mean? If anything is less than 0, put a 0. Otherwise, put the temperature in there. Isn't that exactly what this says right here? If B5 is less than 0, 0. Otherwise, B5. You're asking, this is a max tutorial. Where does max come into play? We'll make it even easier. How about max B5 0? We're going B5. Our number has to be max above 0. Number, reference to numeric value or range that contains numeric values. We have number, number. That means anything above 0. Max starting at 0. Got it? Max, B5, 0. The 0 indicates positive numbers. We can't use anything below 0. Over here, you can read this up. This formula makes use of the fact that max functions work well with small data sets, even 2 values. If the value in B5 is a positive number, the max function will return the number unchanged. Since positive numbers are always greater than 0, if the value of B5 is negative, however, max will return 0 because 0 is greater than any negative number. Okay. You see this 0? And maybe that's not what you want. You can put an if, or you can do anything you want here. You can go if, and if it equals 0, you can go hit F9, or must be cold. Review this if necessary. Read the additional information, and then just mix it up if you need to. Brad Williams, XL Prime. See you soon.